YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey man, YouTube been acting kind of crazy, man. I uploaded 2 videos, I think yesterday or 2 days ago, and they did not send out my notifications, man. Alright, so I was a little upset about that. So today's video, if it gets 15 views, I'm gonna be so pissed. But y'all, if you guys are not subscribed to my second channel, link is down in the description below. All you have to do is click that link. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. I want you to smash that subscribe button for your boy. And guys, today we are doing the washing style. Alright, if you team Juice, you feel me, you can do this washing style. Alright, I'm gonna teach y'all a way that you can do the washing style and have your hair looking squeaky clean and super healthy at the end of the session, the wash session. And guys, if you stay throughout the whole video, if you watch the whole video, I have a surprise for you. Alright? Big surprise. So watch the whole video and don't miss the surprise. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into the video.
What happened? They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a
Alright, you guys, now that you've rinsed your hair, it doesn't really matter what type of water you use. You can use hot water, you can use cold water. Now let me tell you what the type of waters do. If you rinse your hair with warm water, your pores will still be open, and that's if you want to apply any more products to your hair once it dries. Now if you close your pores, then you will have to reopen them up later to, you know, apply the product that you want. So how you will reopen your pores is by doing a hot towel method. Alright, so hot opens up your pores, and cold closes your pores. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is just double rag, just to add extra compression so my hair can be as laid as possible once it is dried up. Alright, so alrighty, now that you're done, just wait 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours until your hair is dry. Alright, so I remember I told y'all, if you stay throughout the whole video, if you watch the whole video, I have a surprise for you. Alright, so thank you for watching the whole video, and I will be doing a 2/6 King Wavy brush giveaway. Stay on the box, you feel me? This is a medium brush, I believe. You know, I'm just gonna be doing this giveaway. So the rules are, to enter this giveaway, listen and listen close. You have to like this video, okay? Subscribe. If you already subscribed, then that's good. Follow me on Instagram, alright? So follow me on Instagram, road to 1K. Once I hit 1,000, the giveaway is over. Okay, I'm gonna be giving the brush away. Now, to enter the giveaway, the final process is I want you to DM me and say giveaway entry. Alright? And I'm gonna see if you follow me, I'm gonna see if you follow directions. Then you have a chance to win the giveaway. Alright guys, unfortunately this video is about to come to an end. I will not show you guys the outcome of the wash and style because it will take a long process for my hair to dry. And it's just, I won't have time to upload the video and everything. So what I'm gonna do is, tomorrow, I'm gonna show you guys the final process, the outcome of the wash and style. All right, so y'all stay tuned for tomorrow's video. You guys will see the outcome of this wash and style. And you guys will also see how my hair looks after I've taken care of it, after I've moisturized it, after I've did everything that I'm supposed to do with it for it to look healthy, okay? So I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy. And we are out of here. Peace.